Hi, Peter, Shrey, and Bu Adina. I would like to explain the lighting concept of Shrey Villa through this video, especially for the exterior area. Okay, so the main idea basically to show the orientation by the light. So we combined the accent warm white, which is the common lighting color for a residential or a villa, with the natural white color for the accent in certain area to have a contrast and a sense of orientation, direction, and hierarchy of the space. Okay, so when we see the plan, this concept could work for the guest arrival. So the overall ambience for the building is warm white, but we create a contrast color in a certain point to get the guys from the entrance gate, and then in the drop off by the trees, and when we come inside in the living room, uh, the guests will see trees as the boundaries and the background of the areas, like here. So that's the idea. Okay, and this is the visualization in the drop off. Yeah, first, of course, the trees should be illuminated really well with natural white color and the best color rendering luminaire. This can show the true color of the trees, the leaves, the trunk, and so on, instead of using a yellowish color. And then lighting for the perimeter driveway with the bollard accent lighting. And then to create another accent, the entrance door is highlighted with a small beam angle light to make this dramatic effect. And also the some light for the roof accent here. Okay, so this is for the drop off. And yeah, of course, this is combination with interior lighting. Okay. Okay, in this area, the same concept applied. We highlight the corner of the roof and accent lighting for the wall. Okay, and for the pathway, we could use this bollard to highlight both steps and also the greeneries. And then the trees is also highlighted from below. And for the lounge, the light is integrated with the column. So inside the column, so the column will be a bit illuminated, and also it create an ambience for the lounge, like this example, but inside of the lounge. Okay, for the pool, we combine the cool white color for the general lighting of the pool, and with the white warm white linear lighting to create accent of the wall, this one. So this combination of color will show the form of the pool. Okay, and also, and if we have trees here in this area as our first concept, we should highlight it with a very white, very well white, natural white color as a boundaries of the site. Okay. Okay, and yeah, of course, the glowing from the interior became the part of overall exterior ambience. So the mood will be cozy, not too bright. We combine the uniform lighting from the pool with the dramatic effect from the wall and the roof to create a balanced night theme scenarios. Yeah, and in the rooftop you will get the light uh, glowing from the interior, and then the architectural accent for the roof, and perimeter lighting all around the wall, yeah, for the perimeter, and also glowing to the floor. It's in the low level, so it will not disturbing the guest to see the outside view. Okay, yeah, that's all the main concept. Here a bit technical with the luminaire specification. As you can see, it's number one, it's in-ground uplight to create the accent lighting for the wall and the entrance. And then the number two, it's a tree uplighting, yeah, for the trees. We could combine the warm white and cool white light to create a natural light and a bit of contrast between surroundings. And then number three is bollard lighting for the driveway and the greeneries. And number four is step lighting. It's a recessed step lighting for the steps. And then number five, it's for the pool, the underwater spotlight with a cool white light. And then number six is the linear lighting, also for the pool, but with a warm white color. So the combination in the pool we have combination between cool and white. And number seven, it's decorative bollard light in certain areas in the pool lounge to create an ambience. And then eight is the wall spotlight for the lounge, yeah, in gazebo for the accent lighting. And then number nine is the light for the perimeter. Here for the perimeter, if we have a trees, I think we need to highlight it also with natural white color. Okay. Okay, and then next one, for the facade, for the roof, we highlight it with the spotlight like this, so you can see the details here. So actually the spotlight is inside to highlight the inner part of the roof, so it's highlighted ceiling. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then this is the next one. For these areas, number one is the in-ground uplight for the accent for the wall, and then number two is tree uplighting for the trees, and then number three is the bollard lighting, yeah, for the pathway and also the greeneries. Number four is a recessed step light for the steps, and number five is the underwater spotlight. And then number six is the, yeah, the same, it's underwater linear lighting for the wall. And then number seven, yeah, some decorative bollard. Yeah, number eight is wall spotlight for the roof again. And the number nine is a floodlight for the trees there. Yeah, hopefully we have the trees. If we see the renderings, I think we have trees there for the boundaries. Okay, and then in the drop off, also the same light. Number one is in-ground uplight, then the tree uplight, the bollard light, and the wall spotlight for the roof or ceiling. And in the rooftop, also the same spotlight for the roof, and then the indirect linear lighting with the warm white color for the perimeters of the wall. Yeah, and in the entrance, as part of the concept, also in-ground uplight to highlight the wall, one part of the wall of the entrance with the small beam angle, so it create a dramatic effect like that. And also with the additional honeycomb louver to yeah, minimize the glare from the light. And yeah, number 11 for the gate, we also use in-ground uplight with the contrast color. It's not so blue, but it will be natural white color. Okay, yeah, I think that's all for now for the exterior lighting concept. I'm still developing the interior lighting. Could be a couple of days. I will share it to you. If you have any comments for this exterior lighting, please let me know. And yeah, thank you so much.